okay, nice. I hope everyone is alright and please stay inside lang because of the COVID. So tonight, I will show you how I sew this 3-layered face mask. So it is made of cotton, woven cotton, the outer part, and then 2 layers of quilted cotton for the filter and for the inner layer. So itong size na to is for XL, extra largest size. It fits mostly for men kasi iba yung structure ng mukha ng lalaki. So this is for man size. So first, we will cut 2 pieces of woven cotton. I will link the pattern. I will link the pattern in the description below so that you will have so ayan, ito yung itsura niya. So you have to cut 2 pieces, mirror images, mirror cut ang tawag doon, ganon na cut ng tela. So 2 pieces for the outer part, and then 4 pieces for the filter and the inner part. So ito kasi tinahi ko na siya, right sides together, tahiin mo siya dito sa may curve na part, and then trim mo yung excess, and then cut mo ng mga notches para pag ginano natin siya is maganda yung finishing niya. So bali dalawa because it's a 3 layers. So ito siya. Then do the same with this one for the outer layer. Cut mo yung excess, then trim mo yung notches para maganda yung finishing niya. So pag na-cut mo na siya, ayan, buksan mo siya, ayan, right sides together, get the quilted cotton, right sides together, patong mo yung isa, right side tas wrong side, put it together, hanapin mo yung center, ayan, align mo siya, ayan, and then right sides together, ito yung outer mo, hanapin mo yung center, right sides together. Remember, two layers siya. So with the right sides together, we will have to sew them like that. Match mo lang yung mga centers. You can use pins if you want, or clips, just for it to stay in place. And then we will sew on the top part. Make sure that you have to leave at least half or 1 inch dun sa outer, like this. Ganito maging yung itsura niya. And tapos sew natin the top part and the bottom part. The 1/4 seam allowance. And do the same at the bottom part. Make sure lang na they are properly aligned at the center para maganda yung magiging finishing niya. And so ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, kailangan natin i-trim yung mga excess. Same with this one. Then, ginawa tayo ng notches. Put natin siyang i-trim para hindi siya bulky pag binaligtad na natin siya and magta-top stitch tayo. Just be careful lang na not to cut the thread. So, tapos baliktarin natin. Ayan, dito. So, let's turn it inside out. So, ganito na magiging itsura niya. Ngayon, kailangan natin siyang i-top stitch yung edges. Top stitch natin. Ito, including the bottom part. This could be a little tricky kasi 3 layers siya, so medyo makapal na yung fabric. First, and then do the same on the bottom part. Magiging ito niya. So, you need to sew as close as possible sa edges. Ito, you need to make the casing for the elastic. Just fold and fold and then fold again. Then, dito tayo magtatahi. Close dun sa edge. Then, do the same to the other side, of course. You can pin if you want para hindi gumalaw. Now for the final touch, turn added security dun sa tahi. I-top stitch natin. We need to do a top stitch. 2 lines here, making sure that the middle part, itong part na ito is at the center. This is for added protection. Para maging matibay lang yung mask na kahit labahan siya ng paulit-ulit, hindi siya mapipigtas. You can do this sa mga portable na sewing machine. Actually, I did this sa portable sewing machine. Need mo lang palitan yung needle niya into a bigger one para kayanin niya yung kapal, yung materials. So, ganito magiging itsura niya. Ayan. So, nasa gitna yung blend lang natin ng top stitch sa then pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng elastic. So I use 1/8 elastic for this, and measure lang tayo ng 12 inches just to be sure. Cut 2 pieces, 12 inches long. Ayan, insert lang natin siya. And one on the other side. And then, you're done. O, yan. So, pinapadala ko sa ito kasi order siya sa akin. So, pinapadala ko siya sa client na naka-loose yung elastics niya para yung magsusuot mismo ang magtatali for a perfect fit sa kanya. So, ayun po. This is a 3 layers of face mask. Washable siya, and pwede siya for everyday use. And so don't forget, the link is i-paste ko. I will give the link of the pattern that I used for this project sa description below. So yun lang, hope na may natutunan kayo, and I will post different kinds of face mask. Next ko yung ipopost is yung merong pwede kang maglagay ng filter. Magkakaroon ng packet sa gilid for insertion of tissues and other filters that you want. So that's for my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects, sewing tutorials. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. And yun, God bless to us, and keep safe everyone. Thank you.
It's GB DIY!